This is a video response to Dana Durnford from Bowser, who posted a video causing quite an alarm on the internet now, talking about the death of the Pacific Ocean from Fukushima radiation. And I'm responding to his video with this video response to say that I myself just went and conducted a little investigation. I would call it a sunset stroll, and I'm not able to refute any of his findings. I found very few signs of life, except for a couple of species. Like he said, we found a lot of sea lettuce, a lot of one type of kelp, and one type of barnacle. I found very few sea stars, and very few anemones. Also what he found in Desolation Sound and Howe Sound in the Georgia Strait, a total dearth of sea stars, starfish, and now anemones. So all of these docks, all of these piers and posts down here on the waterfront into Pheno have always been covered in starfish and anemones as long as I've lived here, 20 years, and now there are none. I saw a few sea stars, mostly purple. I saw two that were yellow, as Dana found total dearth of sea stars. I'm finding the same, and the anemones are gone. I saw a small collection of anemones, but every dock down here was always covered in anemones of many colors and sizes, and it was just a joy to behold them. I see none. I see one species of a pale white anemone, and no sea stars, no starfish that used to cover this beach. Like, cover everything that was covered in starfish and mussels and barnacles and cockles and snails and chitin and everything. Little crabs, sand fleas, with every species of kelp and every species of insect and birds and fish, and all of it is gone. There's only left this green fluorescent kelp covering everything, taking over the beach, and dead shells. I saw a few clams living, squirting. I saw one seagull. I can't refute Dana's research. I can't accept the null hypothesis. I can only conduct further exploration, encourage other people to do the same. And we need comparative work. We need to compare our observations with actual observations from the past. We need to show that all the species are missing from the intertidal zone. So anybody that sees this, please go out into the ITZ at low tide, take pictures and video, and compare it with historical observations that you have or somebody else has, or even with your memory, like I'm doing right now, and just let's talk about this. It seems that the ocean is dying. God save us.